Homework pressure? No more. At Spring Library, we explain every topic in simple way. Join the learning family and score high every day.
Problem 39 asks you to complete this table that gives you 4 different kinds of substances and asks whether each of these is a pure substance or a mixture and what type it is. So the example given here is aluminum, which is indeed a pure substance because it's an element found on the periodic table. So pure aluminum is simply an array of aluminum atoms, which is in fact a pure substance. Apple juice, on the other hand, is a mixture. You can imagine that it's a mixture of different kinds of proteins, sugars, things like that. But when you look at a glass of apple juice, as long as it's filtered, it's usually pretty consistent. It doesn't have like chunks and things like that in it. So for that reason, that would be a homogeneous mixture. Because you can't see the individual layers of, say, proteins and sugars and things like that. Hydrogen peroxide, however, is simply a molecule made up of 2 oxygen atoms and 2 hydrogen atoms. And so in that case, a sample of hydrogen peroxide would in fact be a pure substance, but it's not an element like aluminum is. It's not a single atom type, which makes that a compound instead. Finally, chicken soup. Again, you know that there are different parts to chicken soup. There are the noodles, there are the pieces of chicken. Sometimes you have carrots or peas or things like that. So that's a mixture. And because you can see the different components of chicken soup, because there are different sort of layers to it, that makes that a heterogeneous mixture.